Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So Instagram have added a new feature yesterday that in your Carousel post you can add a multiple caption. So if you have posted 3 to 4 slide of a photo in Instagram, so for each slide you can add a different caption. So how this feature actually work, I will show you in my mobile screen. So for this, open your Instagram account and click on the plus icon. We'll go for the post and we'll select few options here. Like I will select this one, two, three. Okay, so this three I am keeping. I will click on next. Again, I will click on next. You can select the audio and whatever you want. So after coming to this page, many people will think they don't have this option, but you have to click on add caption. So when you will click on this, there will be an option. You can see the arrow, single caption, multiple captions. You have to select multiple captions. So you can add it here. For example, test 1 for this, test 2 for this, test 3 for this. Now I will click on OK. So you can see there is a different caption for each slide and you can post it. So let me know in this comment section, do you have this feature now or not? So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.